Hi everybody, just a quick Maker Central update. Thought I'd better do this because everything's been officially sorted now. So Maker Central, if you don't know about this, which you probably all do because you'd have heard me talking about it before, is happening in Birmingham, NEC in England on the 11th and 12th of May. 2 full days shows. I will be there I'll be there from the Friday all the way through until Monday morning. Tickets are on sale now. I'm going to put the links down below to the Maker Central sites where you can see everything that's going on. They've got a whole diary for the Saturday and the Sunday of what's actually happening, who's going to be there, all the different YouTubers, but apart from that, all the different businesses that's going to be there. You've got all your resin stuff, you've got Tandy Leather, Record Power, down at Taylor's Murfield's, House of Resin. You've got all of these things down there. So there is so much to do. The tickets are not that expensive. I bought mine quite a while back when they first came out for sale, but they're not that expensive to go. So if you possibly can, I know a lot of you live far away, and a lot of you that follow me live in America, so I know that that's not possible, but yeah, if you can at all, it is the event of the year as far as I'm concerned. It's going to be a brilliant weekend, so yeah, get your tickets and go along. Couple of updates of where I'll be. Both days I'll be on the House of Resin stand doing a Q&A, talking about some of the stuff that I've used, some of the resins and stuff like that, and some of the projects. I'll also have a display. As you'll know, there's videos coming out of all the stuff that I'm doing. There'll be on the House of Resin, there'll be a small display of some of the stuff that I do, and you'll be able to get to see it there. Also, I'm on the House of Resin, obviously the metal clays stand, at 12:30 each day. It's just roughly for about 20 minutes there, but I will be hanging around for about half an hour after, so if you do have any questions, please come and find me. It doesn't have to be about what I was talking about, it could be about absolutely anything. So yeah, also there is going to be Zach Higgins, Brian Bloom is going to be doing casting throughout the day. I mean, these people are an absolute minefield of knowledge, and I learnt a lot and continue to learn a lot from both of these people, so they are well worth seeing on there. Plus there is other people on the House of Resin. John Clothier is going to be on there talking about the stuff that he does, so there'll be stuff happening on there all day as well. I'm also every day, well, the Saturday and Sunday, I will be on, because most of you know I use the Taylor's Murfield kits, so I will be on their stand. I think it's 10:30 to 11 each day. Yeah, 10:30 to 11. So if you do have any questions, you can come and also find me on there. So I'll be 10:30 to 11 on the Taylor's Murfield, and 12:30 till roughly about 1:15 to 1:30 on the House of Resin stand. If you're looking for my blanks, obviously I sell on Etsy, but I am going to be casting a load of blanks which will be going down, and they're going to be on Taylor's Murfield's stand, so you will be able to, if you're wanting to pick some of them up, you will be able to. I'll try and put a few new colours in there as well, so there's some exclusive ones just for the show, or well, that'll be their first showing then. So so yeah, I hope to get all that sorted as well, so you will be able to get them on there, and Dan will keep you right, because they will just be there somewhere. He's got quite a big stand, but my pen blanks will be there somewhere. I'm also doing a talk on the Saturday afternoon. I think it is 3:30 till 4 o'clock on the second stage, with Zach Higgins, Jake Thompson, and our very own Jim Overton. So I will be on there doing a Q&A, so I don't know what that's sort of going to bring, but I'm sure it'll be a laugh, and I'll get to meet a few of you and be able to answer your questions. So if you've got questions for me, head over to there at that time, because you'll probably get the chance to ask me. But if not, you know, I'm nothing special, because some people last year didn't like to stop me. I'm just me. You just got to remember that and just stop me. I'm always willing to answer as many questions as I can, or get to meet you, especially use from YouTube. I want to meet as many of you as I can. I see people as names and I have no idea who they are behind the name, so please do, if you do see me, I will have a logo t-shirt on anyway. I'm not sure if I'll have a logo jacket, but I'll definitely have a logo t-shirt on. So if you do see me or you do recognise me, please do stop me. I definitely will not be too busy to meet you. So yeah, so that's the show. Going to be a great event. I'm super excited already about this. Probably about a week ago, it just suddenly hit me how excited I am, so I just cannot wait. It's just, for me, a show like this is just everything about what I do, because I'm going to be in the face of all these different casters and I have so many questions myself, so yeah. Also, I am going to be doing a workshop. I'm going to be doing, well, House of Resin down in Somerset. I'll put the link to their website down below. It's not officially been all released, it is all planned, and Stuart is aware I'm going to speak to you about this today. I've been holding back for a little while really, because the plans have been in existence for a little while now, but I'm going to be doing a workshop, 2 one-day workshops. It's going to be the first weekend in July. There's still some bits to be sorted for it. As Stuart himself said, he's got to dot the I's and the T's, but it is definitely going to be happening. If you are interested in coming along to a workshop where you're going to get a chance to cast as well as to watch me do stuff and to answer all your questions on a more personal basis, these groups are very small. I think it's maybe 6 to 8 people a time, and that's all. So over the weekend there'll only be 16. I don't plan at this stage to be doing any others, so please, if you are interested in a workshop, please inquire at the House of Resin, and you hopefully, as soon as I find out a little bit more information and it's all officially, I will be back on here talking to you about what I'm going to be doing. I've already got the plan in place, so it's already been worked on what I'm going to be doing, but it's going to be a bit of everything. So the whole weekend, your whole day will be, you'll find out completely everything that I already do, and if you watch YouTube you'll pretty much see what I'm doing. Obviously it's all involving the resin. So, but there'll be more details of that to follow very soon. So basically what I want to say to you is, I'll give you any more updates about Maker Central as we go along. I definitely will be doing another update before then, just to remind you of where I'm going to be and when, and that's it really. Just a quick one today. You'll get your project video as normal on Wednesday. There is quite a bit of work happening in the background here for an upcoming video, which I'm hoping will possibly be in 2 to 3 weeks maybe. It'll definitely be out before Maker Central. So anyway, have a great day everybody, and yeah, see you again next time.